Look, girl, you looking like the 90s Nia Long. Your mom, the girl in high school that every guy was sleeping on. You design, almond-shaped eyes, all Aaliyah in the but you shot it with the vibe. Girl, you look how Lamborghinis drive. If a woman tried to get with you, I wouldn't be surprised. Not even a little.
Okay, to make rice water, you're gonna need brown or white rice. I'm obviously using brown rice. It doesn't matter which one you use. It can be organic, it can be non-organic, it doesn't matter. The only thing I will say is if you use non-organic rice, you need to wash it more thoroughly than when you're using organic rice. So, to make the rice water mixture, you can either make regular rice water or you can make fermented rice water. The one I'm going to show you is fermented rice water. So I'm going to start with my brown rice. You're going to need a tablespoon. In order to measure how much rice to water ratio, it's pretty easy. It's just 1 to 1. So if you're going to do 1 tablespoon of rice, you need 1 cup of water. So if you're going to do 2 tablespoons of rice, you need 2 cups of water, and so on and so forth. So I usually do 2 tablespoons, and you're going to need a bowl of some sorts. So you just put your spoon in, 1 and 2. You don't want this to be hot, you want this to be cool. The reason you don't want to use hot water in this rice water mixture that we're about to create is because we want all of the proteins that are in this uncooked rice to be pulled out of the rice and into the water. I think it's called osmosis, when like water goes from like high
damn ham a fucking sandwich.
That's good. The next day. That's good.
Alright, so you're gonna see what my hair looks like after being in these braids for so long. My hair is growing a lot, not a lot. Okay, until I learn how to film in the shower, y'all are gonna see how I wash my hair outside of the shower. So obviously my hair is soaking wet and still dirty because I didn't put shampoo. So this is the shampoo that I'm gonna use first. And I only put it at the roots of my hair. And I love this shampoo because it has Jamaican black castor oil, shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, which are all great for natural hair. Apple cider vinegar is a natural product that helps to moisturize the scalp, clean the scalp, and get rid of dandruff. Black castor oil helps with hair growth. Obviously, shea butter and peppermint are conditioning agents. Peppermint oil is really good for cleansing and soothing the skin, so the scalp also. Now onto the second shampoo. After I had already washed out the other one, I'm going in with this one, which I'm almost done with. Quite a bit of this, but okay, so as you can see, my hair is shrinking by the minute. Shampoos just be shrinking my hair up, but that's good. So now, remember the rice water mixture that we made? It's coming in handy. I'm putting this in my hair. I washed out the shampoo already. I always use this. Every time I wash my hair, I have my rice water ready. And this is what's helping my hair grow long. Work my fingers through it and leave it in for 2 minutes. Okay, so now the rice water is in my hair. If you can't already tell, it's, softened my hair quite a bit. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on through the camera, but my hair is way softer, way easily detangled. It's in my hair. I didn't rinse it out yet, so I still have about a minute left on the clock. Remember, do not leave it in too long. It will dry your hair out. So I leave it in for 2 minutes max. Okay, so I'm out the shower after the rose water, and this is how my hair looks. And now it's time to go in with a conditioner. I'm using 2 conditioners because one of them is like almost done. So I'm using this one and this one. I'm gonna mix them because I feel like all conditioners are basically the same. I never ran into a bad conditioner. Of course, I've ran into like amazing conditioners, which usually are the deep conditioners, but both of these are pretty good. They do what they need to do. So I am going to put my hair in sections so that I can detangle it. So I just use both. Put them in my hand. And I'm putting it towards the ends of my hair. And soon my hair will dry, so I need to do this quickly. that out while the water is running on your head, you're going to start scrunching upwards until all of the conditioner is out. Okay, so this is my hair straight out the shower after taking out the twists and scrunching it. I added leave-in to each section in the shower, and then this in the shower, scrunching. Did that, which I forget what that's called. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. Okay, so my hair is now completely dry. Completely nice and soft and juicy and moisturized. I don't know if you guys. I'm giving you a lion's mane. I'm giving you L'Oreal. I'm giving you. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline, but it's not Maybelline, baby. It's Black Girl Magic.
Period. Nothing left to say, like, period.
Comment, like, subscribe. I want to get this video to like 35 to 45 likes. I really want to drop a skincare video. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys, and have a blessed week.